This brand is made in America and is available through dealers in the USA and Canada, but their warranty is not as good as other brands and does not include total furnace replacement in case of heat exchanger failure. They use aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are less durable than brands that use stainless steel. The units use hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than spark ignition systems, and their sure light control learns the operating characteristics of the system and adjusts the igniter warm-up time to extend its life. The furnaces use durable ECM blower motors which are quieter, more energy efficient, and more durable than brands that use PSC motor technology. The ML193E models, part of their Merit series, offers basic single-stage furnaces with a fixed-speed blower motor, but the guarantee on their heat exchanger is for only 20 years. The L196E Elite series models are a better choice in the basic category with a 96% AFUE efficiency and a lifetime guarantee on the heat exchanger. The EL296V models, a part of the Elite series, is a two-stage premium furnace with a variable speed blower motor for quieter and more efficient operation. The SLP99V models from the Dave Lennox Signature Collection is their entry in the ultimate category, featuring a modulating gas valve and a 99% AFUE combustion efficiency. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.